For
We read
what?
together.
For ducks.
Monkey and me.
For
Monkey and me.
ducks.
Monkey and me.
Birds. Mommy, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 what?
5 clouds.
5 clouds. Very good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
6 butterflies.
Very good. 6 butterflies.
You should bring her more often.
1 dog.
Oo.
7
If
dogs.
you don't borrow books, just let her read. You know, spend time.
Oo, hindi ba mainit? Ano? What number is that?
Wanna see
8.
yourself?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Jenny is
6,
reading, you are not
7,
reading.
8 what?
8 bunny.
8 bunnies.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9.
9 what?
9 boy.
Birds.
You, what are you doing, Heather?
Say hi, Heather.
Hi, Heather.
Heather, hi.
Hi. 2 head.
What are you doing, Heather? Huh? You're hiding? Eee, peekaboo. Peekaboo. Ooh. Peekaboo. Boo.
One dog.
Peekaboo. Silly goose.
Peekaboo.
One, two, three, 4, 3 cats.